Hey guys, it's Annie. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a full June BoxyCharm unboxing. We're going to be covering the June BOXYCHARM Base box, the June BOXYCHARM Premium, and the June BoxyLuxe. I'm going to show you guys what I got in each box and also just a little bit about each tier. I know that that's a little bit confusing, at least it was for me. So if you guys haven't received your box yet, these are going to be the full June BoxyCharm spoilers. So let's get into it. I'm going to start with the base box, then I'll do premium and then BoxyLuxe. So this is the June BoxyCharm base box. By the way guys, I'm just going to be briefly showing you what I got in each box because I do have in-depth videos on each box separately, so I'll have them in the description down below in case you want like a full in-depth review where I actually use the products. First up in this box we have the Glowdient Makeup Palette by Touch and Soul. So this is a really nice highlighting palette. I'm actually going to zoom you guys in so you can see this a little better. This next product is an eyeshadow palette, and I don't know whether this is OPF Beauty or if it's OPV Beauty, but this is the Spotlight eyeshadow palette. We have the KVD Dazzle Stick in Hail Surge. The Aceology Overnight Lip Mask. And the Brow Lights Camera Action Brow Highlighter. The BoxyCharm base box is $25 a month. You get 5 full-size items and you get to customize 1. Oh, and the average value is about $175. Next up is the BoxyCharm Premium. Next up is the BoxyCharm Premium. So we have the Moroccanoil Perfect Defense. This is a heat protectant hairspray. We have the Floss Beauty Cheek and Lip Tint in Sandals. The Patrick Star One Size Secure the Blur Hydrating Under Eye Patches. This came in a pack of 6. I obviously used one for the other video. We have the Skin Regimen 1.85 HA Booster. This serum right here is $115. Whew. We have the Zoeva Natural Aesthetic Creamy Lip Matte. Matte lip? I don't know. It's like a creamy matte lip. And last but not least, we have the Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir Major Volume Mascara. The BoxyCharm Premium is $35 a month. You get 6 items and you get to customize 2 of them. And the average value is over $215. And last but not least, we have the June BoxyLuxe. First up, we have the Word Woke Cool Steam Eye Mask. This one's pretty cool. I did a full demo in my BoxyLuxe review. Like I said, I'll have that in the description down below. We have the Aromatherapy Associates Revive Body Gel. I believe this is pronounced Omni, so this is Omni Skincare Starry Collagen Eye Gel Masks. There are 5 of these totals. They have little sparkles in there. The Dr. Brandt Triple Antioxidant Face Cream. We have a cleansing butter here. This is the LMS Superfood AHA Glow Cleansing Butter. NARS Orgasm Blush. The Smashbox Cover Shot Golden Hour Eyeshadow Palette. Dude, what the f— And last but not least, we have the Pure Heals Real Rose Petal Sleeping Mask. Boxycharm Luxe is $49.99 and you get charged quarterly, so it's every 3 months and you get at least 8 products, sometimes it's more, and you get to customize 2 of them. The average value for the BoxyLuxe is about $3.95, which is a really good price point, especially if you're only paying $49.99 every 3 months. That's crazy. Let me know if you guys like this June BoxyCharm unboxing all boxes style video. I've mentioned this in my previous videos, but I'm not sponsored by Boxycharm, although they do send me these boxes. I really do think that Boxycharm is worth it no matter what tier you decide to go with. They also really stepped up their game. I used to have Boxycharm, I would say, I guess it's probably been about 3 years now, and I wound up canceling it because I just wasn't that satisfied with it. They've definitely upgraded since then, which I really appreciate. I would say if you guys are a big fan of skincare, the base box primarily I found has been mostly skincare. For the June base box, for some reason it was entirely makeup, which is very rare. I guess there was also a lot of skincare in the BoxyLuxe as well, but that one makes a little bit more sense because it's kind of beauty and lifestyle. It is nice getting 8 full-size items, especially if you're only paying about $50 every 3 months. I really think that that's worth it. Back when I was spending a ton of money on makeup, I mean, I was spending at least like $100 a month, I would say, on makeup and skincare before. So to get all the best products delivered right to me, I feel like I would have been spending less doing this subscription, but I don't know. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. I'm really curious. Make sure to give this video a like if you liked it. That really, really helps me out. Make sure to subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. And like I've said for like the 100th time, if you want to see a full breakdown of each box, I do have that in the description down below. And yeah, I love you guys so much. I'll see you on the next one. I also noticed I have like a weird, like, I don't know if this is like eyeshadow fallout, but it looks like a crease right here. So sorry if that was annoying you the whole video. Bye guys!